today I want to show you how to make an easy and quick salad that is super nutritious and that tastes good. I just finished my workout. As you can see, I just came out of the shower. Sorry for the look, but I'm making a post-workout meal that has the protein, the carbs, and the fats, and that's going to taste delicious. So as you can see, I already prepared it. So I have tomato, cucumber, beans, mango, avocado, a little bit of sauerkraut, and some sun-dried tomatoes. And I'm going to add some herbs. So I have herbs from my garden. I have parsley and basil, and I have some dill here. And I'm going to add some other seasoning to make sure that the vegetable tastes good, because that's what you want. You want to eat vegetables that's going to make you healthy. So not everybody likes vegetable, right? So you want to add some stuff that's going to make it taste good. So I'm going to use olive oil and apple cider vinegar as my dressing, and then I'm going to add something like this. This is seaweed. I'm using dulse, but you could use also kelp or nori. It's going to bring the salt, like the salt flavor, and also it's going to give you some iodine. And iodine is so important because we are often deficient in iodine, and that affects our thyroid gland. So if you have a thyroid that is not functioning properly, you want to check your iodine and make sure that you get it from your sea vegetables. And then I'm going to add some sea salt. You could use also pink Himalayan sea salt, pink Himalayan salt, or sea salt. They're both good. And then I'm going to add this. This is my drug. This is nutritional yeast. It's a powder that tastes like cheese. It's a little bit nutty, and the flavor it smells good, it tastes good. I add it to my salads, my soups, my pasta sauces. I add it to everything. It's a drug. And I'm gonna add some pepper to my salad, and it's gonna be awesome, and it's gonna be perfect for my post-workout meal. So like and share my video, try my salad, tell me how you like it, leave your comment below, and I will see you in the next video.